Driving a Toyota Camry? Backup camera gone dark? Here's your quick fix guide. First, check your gear. Make sure you're actually in reverse. Sounds basic, but you'd be surprised. Next, inspect the camera lens. Sometimes it's just dirt or grime blocking the view. A quick wipe with a soft cloth can do wonders. Still no luck? Pop the trunk, check the wiring near the camera, look for loose connections or damage. If you find any, a simple reconnection might solve your problem. Now, let's talk about the fuse box. A blown fuse can be the culprit. Your owner's manual will help you locate the backup camera fuse. Swap it out if needed. Finally, if your screen is just black or showing weird lines, try resetting the system. Turn off the car, then back on. Sometimes it's just a small glitch. If all else fails, it might be time to visit a professional. Your local Toyota dealership or a trusted mechanic can take a deeper look. Remember, these simple steps cover most issues. Stay calm. Follow this guide and you'll have your backup camera working in no time. That's it for today. Hit that like button if this helped you. See you next time.